What is going on, guys? So welcome back to another video. So the wife ordered some more sanitizer from Chemical Guys, and she still needed a few more products to make it a certain amount, and I had told her I needed some more car soap, so she ordered that. And so the box just got here. She ended up getting a different sanitizer from them. The spray works great. I love it. It goes a long way. The soap sanitizer they have, it's really well, it makes you feel really clean. I was really surprised by it. So we ended up trying something new that they have, and let's go ahead and open this box and see what we got. Alright, so here's the box. Go ahead and open it here. I love their Bubba Wrap. So here we are. I definitely needed some bug tar remover stuff because I just used the last I had. Some black light. Here is the gel that they recently came out with. I haven't ever tried this stuff, but I always try their new products, and I guess I'll let y'all know how this one works out. I'm sure it's going to work out great as always. Their products are really good. You know, I do try other products, and you know, try Meguiar's. I love Meguiar's too. As always, I'm not sponsored by Chemical Guys, but you know, here's the hand sanitizer spray we ever gotten a lot of. I love this stuff. The smell is it's interesting. It's a little rough, but it does work really well. No way. She actually got a shirt. I have to try this on. So, just a second, let me turn this camera around and let's go ahead and get the shirt on. Alright, hey guys, so y'all can see me. I'm about to pop this shirt on. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, that's nice. Wow. Look at that. That's awesome. I've been wanting one of these and she actually got me one. I'm so excited. Can't believe I actually have one now. So let's go ahead and put it on. And so what do y'all think of this shirt? I love it. I love the black and white. I'm always wearing black and white. Just I love those colors mixed. Man, just look at that. I love it. It's beautiful. It's me. Let me know what y'all think of this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and I will go ahead and see y'all in the next one.